Hello kids and welcome back again in our GK class. Today we are going to start our chapter number 33, that is scientific instruments, and chapter number 36, that is body quiz. So let us start chapter number 33, scientific instruments. Write the names of these scientific instruments by their given pictures and description. So kids, these pictures are given in your textbook. Here we have to find out the right answer from this help box. So scientists use special tools to do their work. They gather data or information as they seek to learn about the world in order to solve. So today we are going to learn about some scientific instruments. So number 1, instrument used for measuring temperature. So kids, what is the answer? Yes, it's a thermometer, and doctors use thermometers to check your body temperature. Number 2, instrument used for measuring earthquake intensity. So kids, what is the answer? Yes, it's a seismograph. It is an instrument used to detect and record earthquake. Number 3, instrument used for viewing small object by magnifying them. So yes, it is the microscope. A microscope is a instrument used to examine objects that are too small and cannot be seen by the naked eye. Number 4, instrument used for hearing heartbeat. So it is a stethoscope. Kids, stethoscope is a medical instrument and used in listening to sounds produced within the body of an animal or human. And as we know that it is generally used by doctors. Number 5, instrument used for measuring electrical current. So it is a voltmeters, and it is also known as voltage meter. It is an instrument used for measuring the difference between 2 points in an electrical or electronic circuit. 6, instrument used for measuring blood pressure, and it is also known as blood pressure monitor, and the answer is sphygmomanometer. Number 7, instrument used for measuring light intensity. So kids, it is an instrument used for measuring brightness, and the answer is lux meter. Now our next chapter is chapter number 36, that is body quiz. Check your knowledge about the human body by putting a right tick on the correct answer. So number 1, the smallest bone in our body is found in this region. So kids, where is the smallest bone in our body? Yes, it is in ear. Number 2, which is the largest internal organ of our body? So, is it a lungs or is it a liver? Yes, the right answer is liver. Number 3, where is the bone named tibia present? So, what is the answer? Leg. Number 4, which part of our body digests the food completely? So what is the answer kids? Mouth or stomach? We eat food from our mouth, but the process of digestion completes in our stomach. So right answer is stomach. Number 5, what is the function of platelets present in the blood? So which is the right answer? Attack germs or clot blood? So the right answer is clot blood. Number 6, right side of the human heart contains this type of blood. So kids, right side of the human heart contains this type of blood. So is it a oxygenated blood or deoxygenated blood? And the right answer is deoxygenated blood. Number 7, the protein present in our hair that imparts it black color is keratin or melanin. So, our hair gets black color from this protein and it's a melanin. So kids, this is all about our chapter number 33 and 36. Thank you. Bye bye.